let us take a session also on creation of dashboards for different types of devices, because in today's world we need such kind of access, or we need to be able to design for even tablets and smartphones. What all we had discussed so far, the default setting was that of your desktop machine or a laptop machine, but let us go into the device preview out here and then let us see how it shows. Okay, and then we'll also go into the layout and how we work on the different layout and things like that. So let's click on device preview. So this is what we have for the default setting. Okay, this is a default setting that we have. If I click on the phone, then your dashboard looks fairly different. Okay, if I click on default here, then it will show us like this. If I click on fit all, it should show us this. If I click on fit width, so in terms of width, we can see that some of this is coming out. So size of the phone, we click on the default over here. In the phone, again, we auto generate the layout, we can optimize the layout, and we can also delete the layout. Let's click on auto generate the layout. So this is the auto generated layout that we are seeing here on the phone. Obviously, if we make it an optimized layout, we can edit the layout as well, or we can make it as a default layout in which we are able to see all the three settings, all the three dashboards. So if I click on this dashboard, then I can come here and make the changes here on this particular dashboard. Okay, I can edit, and I can also view the toolbar and fit, make the changes to the title, caption, add filters. So this is one thing that I have not picked up with you all, and then that is your quantity analysis, that is a price analysis. So this is one part that I think I would like to pick with you all. So let us click on something new. Let us open a new file. Okay, prior to that, prior to this, I'll go on the default setting and make the save. I'll save the data. And then after this, let's come to this. Out here, what I'm doing is I'm having a dashboard. So I'm clicking on new dashboard. Okay, and I'm creating the device preview over here. Which type of device do I want? This is a default. This is a desktop, phone, or default, or desktop, or tablet, or the phone. So we are having it for the phone, and instead of generic, let us go for doing something on the iPhone or Samsung Galaxy or Google Nexus. Let's work on iPhone 7, 7, 8, whatever is this, Nexus. No, we'll go on the iPhone. Okay, XRS, XS Max, 11 Max Pro, iPhone 7.8, 7 Plus 8. Okay, let us take this size. So in this size, we are able to see this is what your device appears to be or looks like. Now on sheet 1, again, let us connect to data. So I'll click on connect to data. I'll go on whichever files are available over here. I'll take a traffic new file and I click open here. So we have the data available over here, okay, in the sheet. Now what do I intend to do here is, again, I intend to create a dashboard for a phone, a smartphone, for the model iPhone XR, XS, Max, 11 Pro, whatever the specifications. And for that, I'm selecting Tableau mobile app. If I deselect it, it will not show as a Tableau mobile app. And this is what this is. When I click on this, it can switch to landscape mode like this. If I click on this, it will change the mode to the portrait mode. I'm clicking on Tableau mobile app. Now, first of all, let's go into the sheet, create a sheet. Okay, any random sheet. So I'm just creating here race, the column. And then we have violations. out here. So these are the different races that we have, and these are the different violations that they have. Like, these are the different violations that they have made. And the age, let us go into the age. No, I don't want it as a sum. I just want it as, let us have it as a minimum age. Okay, let's go as per the minimum age. So what are we seeing here in this sheet? We are having the race, Asian, Black, Hispanic, others. And these are the violations that they've committed. And this is the minimum age that this this particular race has. And with this minimum age, they have been committing these set of violations, irrespective of blacks or Hispanics or others. This is the sheet. Okay, that apart, let me see what more could be added. Search was conducted or was it not conducted? Yes, this is also interesting. So this sheet that I have created, I am going to use this sheet for the Apple smartphone. Okay. I'm quickly saving the sheet as what? Traffic violations analysis. Let us save it as that. So this is done. Now in the dashboard, we have the device preview and all that. So what do we need now is, let us close this. I'm going to close it. Do you want to save changes? Yes, I want to save the changes. Let us open afresh. Okay. I open the existing file for traffic violations and I click open here. Okay. In the dashboard, this is what we have. So it is asking us, the layout is mentioned over here, and now we already have this. Okay, what we are doing is we are going on the phone and we will be creating that particular dashboard for the smartphone. So whilst we have the layout for the phone, what we can do is we already have the file sheet created, the worksheet created. So I'm going on default, just dragging this over here. That's it.